Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Infinix phone guys internet guy, how can we reset when internet setting guys you want to reset in your Infinix phone device. So how can we reset today guys? I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video guys, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Now let's see how can we reset guys Infinix phone guy phone internet setting guys. So friends, open your phone setting to reset. After phone setting, scroll it, and friends click on guys your phone system setting. We will tap on your phone system setting, and friends click on get the reset option. And friends you can see reset setting. Tap here to reset guys your setting. And tap here to reset guys your internet setting. We will reset. After guys please wait. Setting has been reset. Network setting has been reset. So guys you can use guys your internet setting in your Infinix phone device. So like the guy we can reset guys Infinix phone guy phone internet setting. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.